Hi all. Today we discuss about like how to install Maven in our local Windows operating system. So what are the steps need to be followed? How we will verify our system has Maven is there or not, and what are the ways. So first of all, if you don't have Maven, first you have to open the CMD and check Maven is installed or not. So how you will verify? MVN hyphen version. So Maven is there or not. Maven is not installed. Okay, now also you have to verify the control panel. So in that control panel Maven is installed, or that will be checked in the uninstaller program. So there Maven is not there. Java I installed, so Java is there, but Maven is not there. Okay, now also you have to go there in this folder structures, check this PC, and then we have a properties, and inside this property for the advanced system settings, and there you have to check the environment variable. Is there any Maven path? Is there? Not there. Okay, now what you have to do, other last options is go to the C program files. In that program file or program file 86, check Maven is there or not. Maven is not there. Maybe somewhere it will become in this Maven is not there, so somewhere it will be in this users your name, and inside that M2 repository. So there is no repository is there, that is old one, but Maven is not there. Okay, so what I'm going to discuss today, so delete this one repository because this is an old one. So automatically once you will install the Maven, and if you will build any application, then that will be create a repository, and then all this structures and all will be generated. So now I'm going to download this Maven. So you can click on this link. So that same link we will add in this description. So I'm following this one. Install Maven in Windows. So before installation, Maven JDK 8 or 10 is required. Windows 10 or whatever Windows operating system is there, that is fine. Based on that, you have to download the Maven. So currently Maven have 3.6 they have, but JDK and Java Home has been configured. So make sure this one will be installed. So already I have Java Home is installed. Java Home is installed. Now I'm going to please read this one. Download the Maven. So till Java step has been completed in last video. Now I'm going for this to download the Maven. So how you'll go, click on this official website of Maven. There we have zip, so that you can download the zip. Any of you can download, but better you have to go for the zip. So this is the zip folder. So click on this. Right now I'm going for to download 3.2.9.2. So just click on that, and once you will click, then it will go for this download folders. You have to go there in that, and this is the Maven. So JDK already I installed JDK 8, so that is completed. So I'm taking this out of folder. Now this is the Maven. So this is the jar file. So you have to extract this jar file. Go to this site step by step what need to be follow after that. So this is I downloaded. After that unzip. So I have already unzipped this, and then once you'll unzip, that will be considered bin boot config live and all. So that is there already. Once you unzip, then bin boot config live and all, and then yeah. So this is the Maven. Now you have to add this path Maven home. So click on this environment variable in your machine. Go to see your computer, right click, go to advanced setting, and then add this environment, search advanced, and then in that advanced environment variable will be there. Click on that, and then after that you have to open this new system in system. So system variable they have used Maven home. So that Maven home, add this Maven path, and then add the Maven path. Okay, we'll go for that step by step. So till now we are going for this. So this is the Maven path. So what we are doing, we are placing this Maven folder we are placing this Maven folder to our C drive so that we'll understand in this program file T6. Okay, so I'm placing here so that will be easy. Now we will go for this one, Maven path. Okay, this I copied, and then after we have to go for this property. Inside that property, advanced setting property, then go for this advanced setting property. Inside that advanced, and then environment variable. Now you click on this system. In that system, click on new Maven home, and then place this path the same way they have also done. See here, this one, Maven home, and then till the path of this. So I placed in C drive because they also placed now, and then click on OK. After that, what they are doing, adding Maven home percentage bin path to path. So how we will do? Edit environment variable path. The same path they are adding bin. Why? Because of till bin we have to do. So Maven home percentage and all. So what you have to do, this is a path, we have to add it, and inside that we have add percentage. What they have done, percentage Maven home, because we created Maven home, so we will do the percentage MAV and Maven hyphen home percentage and then bin. So that slash bin, you need to edit here, and then we'll do the slash bin, right, like that. So once you click, then what happened, this Maven is there, so that Maven path will come, and then after this path we have this one, Maven home and bin, so that bin will be considered. Directly you can mention this Maven path inside bin also, you can mention, and click on OK. Okay, see, after that what will happen, here you can verify the changes, Maven hyphen version, then it will show the Maven in your CMD. So go to CMD and check Maven hyphen version is there or not. Why it's not coming? Because of Maven hyphen version. Okay, Java home is not detected properly. Yeah, so that Java home, what I have mentioned here, this Java home, I have created the Java home here. So what I'll do, I will modify this one, copy this one, and place it in this system variable. So in this system variable also we have to add some new Java home, because I placed in this user variable and put it till JDK 8, and the same way you have to edit the path of this, because path will taken care JDK Java home path. So here you have to add the Java home percentage Java home percentage, then slash, then bin. So this will taken care all those things. Now we can verify this Maven. You have to close this, and again you have to open the CMD. Why Java home environment variable not defined correctly, please? Now what is the issue? We have to check. Again we have to go for this JRE home, and I add this also JRE home, so that if I'll add here JRE home, then now you have to modify the path of JRE home here. Then percentage has been, we'll see working or not. Java version is there. Java C is also coming. MPN hyphen. Why MBN is not working? Not defined correctly. Delete this from here. Like that we can install Maven. Maven is already installed, even we placed here, but somehow Maven is not working in my system. This is the step which is there to follow. So the same way we have followed here. Path, before that they asked regarding some Java thing. So what here in this JDK Java hyphen home environment, so Java hyphen home till JDK, and then till JDK. Same I have uploaded Java home. If we'll go for this my environment variable, also I made the same way here. Environment here, environment variable. This one is which type of home they are asking. Java hyphen home. So Java hyphen home I used 1.8. Yeah, that is the way. We will see why it's not working. If not, then you can follow the same. Maybe there is some issue in my system. Yeah, Maven is coming. See this one. Now Maven is coming. There was some path issue because duplicate path was there. Same I Java home. I mentioned here. So what was the issue here? See, if we'll go for this was the issue, path issue was there. Inside that, here property side advanced, and there advanced. Here I have added Java. So that Java home is there, and we have to add the path pin in the path. That was not there, so we added. After that, we refreshed, and then Maven is installed successfully, and that path is there in the C drive. Program file 86 here, Java is there, Maven is there. Okay, I placed, and then the same path I have used till bin, JDK bin, Maven bin, JRE bin, and all. So, yeah, so that's it for my side. The Maven is installed successfully 3.9.2. You can refer the same. Thank you for that.